Welcome to Butauanan.
Apa Jammers, parang kita.
Siruma Expedition. Expectation versus reality. Ano kaya mangyayari? Umaasenso na po ang BAAC. May service na kami.
Sikat na naman kita ka na sa vlog.
Lakos na nga ako. Gadana pala nito.
Gadana
Huh?
Oh. Babae! Babae ka.
Tatabangan na.
Bakal pong paon.
Paon na daw po.
Ay, napasayan! Tira ka mga ba?
Bakal closer talaga dyan. Si Ireno.
Putanta na. Nag-imbita ng grupo Matyana Kamo, Bicolano, Alacham, Anglers Iniyo, kung sa'yo lang marahay napapanutan mga fishing strategies sa Bicolano. Dali-daling kinuha, stateside, nalikawanan, tanganing magagaw na ang kataon na mamatayan. Ang mga pamaon sa tapoy preparar na, amay na aga pa ng madumanan kita. Teri po na ang grupo yaw na didiyo, sa pangbanwa kita, handa na managayo. Dali mapugol ang ganto, Matyana. Bus na tamadawin na kita, Matyana. Bus na tamadawin na kita. Ano pang lalang magtumana kita sa lugar babalitan tangan makasubad na mo sa dit udak-udak talaga dahil ng papahuli panood na eksperyensya magbalot sa din tama para sa pamilya proteksyon sa kapalibutan ang maitatabang ta dahil magtulang kanto talaga Matyana gani mus na talagang mus na tama panawin na kita.
Ako kami bibispan market.
Ay, taon na.
Jammers.
It's June 14, 2020. Bicolano Alacham Anglers Club BAAC headed for its fishing expedition at Homestead Siruma, Camarines Sur. It is located fronting the Pacific Ocean port near Mercedes, Camarines Norte. And the recommended fishing spot there is at Butauanan Island, one of the islands near Barangay Salvacion and Tandok, Siruma. The assembly of the group started at around 5 in the morning at our BAAC founder's residence, Phil Francisco, and we reached our destination around 7 in the morning. Going to the island of Butauanan took us around half an hour in order for us to reach the rocky shore. The BAAC anglers decided to test their rods and reels through onshore or inshore fishing and offshore fishing.
Isama ang mga kaibigan, tayo nang makipagsapalaran. Piliin lang ang mga isdang makukuha, ang mga bawat na ulit ay pagkawalan.
We stayed at the island until 4 in the afternoon and head back to the city until 7 in the evening. We have so many people to thank for the successful outdoor adventure of the group. First, we have to thank Kuya Don's friend, Punang Barangay Alarcon of Homestead, for accommodating us. And of course, the boatman, Mr. Salvador, whose wife was also the former Punang Barangay of Homestead. Although the place is noted for its heavy fishing activities, most of the anglers still manage to catch a handful of local fishes such as Pugapo and the like. We thank the Lord above for this bountiful harvest. Until then, see you on the next adventure of Bicolano Alacham Anglers Club. Fish on, tight line, Alachamers! These are the variety of fish that you can catch here at Butauanan, Siruma.